Hello, my darling. How are you? Not you. Look at you. Oh, jeez. Hold on a second. Oh, all the dogs think I'm talking to them. I just want to look there. Hello, Ada. Hi, Ada. How are you? There's your one paw. Hello, Ada. Hello, Ada. Yes. Look at how cute you are. She was giving me kisses. Hello, Ada. Felix, I know you're cute. Come here. Ada. Ada. Come here. Your mommy wants close-ups. Yes, she does. Oh, you're so tired. You're so tired. Okay, look at the camera. Say, hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. Hi. Look at you. Look at you. There we go. There we go. You're so cute. Yes, you are, Ada. That's so sweet. There we are. Felix, you're a naughty boy. Hello, Ada. Hi. You can suck on my finger. It has no milk and no food on my finger. Oh, got a pop in my face. Oh my goodness. I guess I can't talk sweet nothings to everybody. Just her. There you are, Ada. Oh, yeah, there we go. Okay, there we go. Okay, Mommy, I'm tired. I'm gonna go to sleep.